I am Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. If you are over 60, your muscles may be quietly breaking down at night while you sleep. The body enters a fasting state, and without the right nutrition, it begins to take protein from your muscles. But the good news is that the right bedtime foods can protect your strength, reduce soreness, and even build new muscle while you rest. Here are the 5 best foods for seniors to eat before bed. Number 5. Cottage cheese. This classic food is rich in casein protein, which digests very slowly. Instead of a quick burst, it provides a steady release of amino acids for 6 to 8 hours, keeping your muscles nourished throughout the night. Studies in older adults showed that casein before bed increased overnight muscle building by more than 30%. Half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese is enough, and you can add a few slices of banana or a sprinkle of cinnamon for taste. Number 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are compact, nutrient-dense, and loaded with leucine, the key amino acid that switches on muscle growth. 1 or 2 eggs before bed provide high-quality protein that is easily absorbed, making a big difference for seniors facing anabolic resistance. Adding a little turmeric and black pepper can give extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 3. Tuna with olive oil. Tuna provides pure protein and leucine, while the olive oil slows digestion, allowing amino acids to release gradually while you sleep. This combination has been shown to improve overnight muscle repair by more than 30%. Half a can with cucumber slices or a few whole grain crackers is an easy, muscle-protecting snack. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Thicker and higher in protein than regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is loaded with casein and probiotics. The probiotics improve digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients more effectively. It also provides calcium for stronger muscles and bones. Seniors who ate Greek yogurt before bed experienced better overnight recovery and even more energy the next morning. Number 1. Whey protein shake. Research shows whey protein before bed boosts overnight muscle protein synthesis by up to 22%, even in people who do not exercise. It digests faster than casein, but still provides an effective supply of amino acids for muscle repair. Mixing a scoop with water or milk about 30 minutes before bed is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect muscle. These 5 foods are easy to find, affordable, and backed by science. By making them part of your evening routine, you can protect your strength, reduce stiffness, and wake up stronger each morning. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to Gentle Health for more simple strategies to stay active, independent, and healthy as you age.